Hey everyone, here's another solution on this exercise over here. Again, please make sure you don't compare my solutions with yours or some other solution you found out there. And why am I saying that is because I've had that problem before. You see, when it comes to programming, things can be done in many ways, okay? And again, you should always keep in mind the fact that I am doing these exercises not to show you guys how smart am I, or rather not to prove my intelligence to you guys, but to show you guys how different concepts can be applied in programming, okay? I keep reminding you that because I don't want people to compare myself with anyone out there, even themselves, okay? So I'm about to give out a second solution on exercise. What exercise was it? Oh, exercise 4. Again, this is slightly different from the previous solution. And some of you out there can make an argument that I'm being repetitive. And if you think so, please let me know down in the comments. Okay. So I'll just go I times I, and then 1, 2, 3. I put that. I use that as my separator. Okay, however, there's an alternative, yeah, right? And that is, perhaps I should do things using that approach, because in my previous solution, this is more or less like what I did. Oh God, really? oh gosh, let me just two mistakes I made here. Number 1, I forgot the in keyword. Number 2, I used I instead of index. Now let's try it again. You see, that's one thing that happen to be a problem when it comes to knowing multiple languages. You sometimes find yourself confusing them, right? See, for instance, I am used to Java and C#, even though I know Python as well, but I don't know it as much as I know the other two. So that's why sometimes I find myself missing the in keyword there. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. But you know what? Here's another way of doing this problem. I can simply go pow index, and then I put a 2 over there. Okay, for a change, let me simply, because the thing is, I don't want people to think I'm being repetitive. Let me do that. Even though the output would be slightly different, but I thought, you know what, let me just do things a little bit different, and the difference will only be on these spaces here, right? I hope you guys can see the spaces I'm talking about. Anyways, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I would appreciate to know your opinions on these solutions. That way I'll get guided and I'll know more about you guys. I'll understand what is it that you exactly want from me, right? Rather than guessing, okay, what could possibly be of interest to you guys. That should be it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gone.